We just shoved a bicycle sideways, a bicycle with nobody on it. It wobbles, and does not fall. It rights itself, all on its own. No hands holding it, no rider. Why doesn't it fall? The answer comes at the end. Today, we make every reason a bicycle stays up completely visible. A bicycle standing still is just a stick. It falls in about a second. But as long as it is rolling, shove it again and again, and it keeps getting back up. It is the same game as balancing a broom on your palm. When the broom tips, you slide your hand under it, move the support back under the center of mass, and it cannot fall. Here is the heart of it. When the frame leans, the front wheel steers into the lean by itself. Steering curves the path, and the curve sweeps the wheels back under the center of mass. Lean, steer, return. A rolling bicycle repeats this many times every second. So why does it steer by itself? The front tire touches the ground behind the steering axis. So, like a caster wheel, it naturally swings toward the lean. This is called trail. And the spinning front wheel is a gyroscope. Tilt it, and it turns its head toward the tilt. This is the stability map. Speed runs along the bottom. In the red zone it falls, in the green it rights itself. The boundary. About 7 kilometers per hour. Barely faster than walking, and it stands alone. Time for the answer. What kept riding the riderless bike was the front wheel's automatic steering. It steers into every lean and pulls the wheels back under the center of mass. The broom balancer's hand, built into the front wheel. Give it a gentle push, and it rides on, rider or no rider. Nova Solver. Physics made visible.